Hello everyone, hope you guys doing very well. So today we are going to face manifold. This manifold belongs to Chrysler 2012 Hemi 5.7. Yes, this person, yes, he is facing this manifold by this machine made by Pakistan. This machine can do block facing, head facing, manifold facing. Now we are actually threading down this manifold on this block. Then we will face. I will show you while machine working. So all the bolts are thread down and the manifold is not going to anywhere. Now this professional man going to check level.
Professional man ਦੀ ਤਸਵੀਰ ਤੇ ਬਣਾ ਲਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ
Yes, this is professional. Okay, as you can see, all the levels are very good.
Yes, betul nih, oke, buat aja.
This is the tool which will
स्टोन ना करेंगे टूल ना करेंगे
cut this face.
स्टोन ना ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ
Now he is adjusting the head, the machine head, so the tool barely touch on this. Yes, as you can see now.
ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿਰਾਉਂਦੇ स्टोन ਕੋਈ ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਹਿੱਲੇ ਆਈ ਵੀ ਇਹਦਾ ਉਹ ਬੰਟੀ ਟੂਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਾਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੱਥ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਾਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਹਟਕਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਪੱਖੇ ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ
So now we are checking level on both sides.
कम से कम 2 मिली ਦਾ ਫਰਕ ਹੈ
2 ਮਿਲੀ ਆਉਟ
ਜੋ ਟੱਚ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਟੱਚ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਈਡ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਨਾ
ਹਾਂ ਉਹੀ ਲੀਕ
As you can see,
ਇਹ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਵਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਟੇ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਏਗਾ
too much difference between this side and
ਗੈਸਕਟ ਦਾ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ
this side.
ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਯਾਰ
ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ਿੰਗ ਕਰਨੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਵਾਲੀ
ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ਿੰਗ ਉਹਦੀ देख रहे हैं
ਅਗਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਵੀ
इधर इथों टच नहीं होया ਇਹ ਵੀ ਟੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਡਾਊਨ ਇਹ ਸਾਈਡ ਉੱਚੀ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਉੱਚੀ ਇਹ ਡਾਊਨ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਡਾਊਨ
ਟੱਚ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ ਪਕੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਾਕੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਕੜਿਆ ਹੈ
It's down.
you can see the marking of tool
Yes.
look it's a deep cut little bit deep no touch on this side only light and
Okay, now Mr. Tosif, please proceed to next step.
इंशाल्लाह
Yeah.
Bandi
Now all the levels are done. So this our technician going to install this safeguard. Safety first, you know. Yes. First of all, we start water pump. Mr. Tosif, where is water pump? No water pump. No need water. No need water for this one. So we are going to make it dry. Dry tool cutting. Yes, dry tool cutting. Only dry. Now we are going to just the movement of bed. Pakistani style. Yes, this is Pakistani style. Not using any screwdriver, only using the scale. Bye. Oh, tool are going to touch already touching manifold. As you can hear, tool touch little bit, then it became machine tool and the manifold.
So now we end up by removing this water pipe because as you can see, machine all the way goes to this side. So the cutting tool didn't touch on the on complete surface on manifold. So we have to remove this water hose. So machine get another 1 inch to move on right side.
Yeah.
So we also remove safety plate from this side. As you can see, tool is touching right here but not touch on this side. This means manifold is very out.
इधर भी दिखा आगे अगली साइड में नहीं है.
Also you can see from this side. So it means manifold out from many sides. Now the technician will move machine head little bit down on each cutting. Yes, Mr. Tosif, I am right?
Right. You are right, Tawfiq.
Now machine is moving or not? Huh? Machine is actually moving very slow.
ये वो ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये अच्छा है. ये करवानी तो कम होगा. ये फुल फाइल लगा है.
I have few questions on regarding to this manifold, so I will ask the car owner what is the problem with this manifold, why he have to face it down, what is the problem. So Mr. Farooq, why you facing this manifold? What was the problem with your Chrysler?
The problem with my Chrysler was whenever I start the engine, I hear sound like an exhaust leak, or sound like
Like the sound is brrr, like this sound.
yes.
Okay.
And the second main reason was I can't roll down the windows
Why?
because of the carbon coming inside the car.
Okay,
and
okay,
fuel
okay.
gases. Even I pull down the window a little bit, I can't breathe. That's
So-
why I have to remove the manifold to get it done.
So what reason this manifold gets too much bent?
The reason behind it was the engine was overheated by the previous owner,
Okay.
and the car shut down by its safety.
Okay.
The temperature got too high and the car won't start.
Okay.
Because of high temperatures, the crank sensor melts down, oil pressure sensor melts, and I think that's the reason for bending the exhaust manifold.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Farooq. Now we have also the Mr. Tosif, owner of this workshop. We will ask him little bit. We will ask how this machine works and what he think about manifold facing. So, Mr. Tosif, how are you?
Why?
So, Mr. Tosif, I have some questions regarding to this manifold. What do you think? Why people should face their manifolds when the engine became overheat and anything happened to the block or head or overheating? Please help Mr. Tosif to translate.
So I will translate.
We need
On behalf
to.
of Mr. Tosid, I will explain you the problem. this manifold is made out of cast iron. Okay, and the cast iron can bend very easily.
Okay.
So what's the problem if you install a new gasket and didn't place the manifold? There are 4 holes, each for one exhaust for one piston. The further and the back holes will not align, and the gasket after some time became bad and exhaust gases will leak. That's why you have to face it to match.
So
proper
we
alignment.
have to face it every time the engine get overheats.
No, not
Okay.
every time. If you open the
But we
hatch,
need to check.
you have to check.
We need to
Everything
check.
is okay with exhaust manifold, nothing leak, nothing happened. Okay, you can install it.
Uh,
And if you see a minor leak, a crack or anything, you have to remove it, face it, install a new gasket, and you are good to go.
As you can see, the machine will require a few passes to lay this down, to cut this down edge. Then we will do last finishing tool. I will show you the last results.
ਚੱਲ
Never. So as you can see, the manifold is all done. They are all straight now, but there are fine lines inside it. You can feel it by your nail by scratching them. Now you will have to cut one more time with a final cutting, and the polish will be like mirror.
So we will remove this tool and we will sharp it down. Then we will do last cut.
stitch. Okay.
Now this one is final cut. We don't need any safety in final cut because the tool will barely touch on the surface of manifold. Huh? Yes, we didn't put safety because you guys can see while tool cutting. So now this is the final product, very clean, very neat, very smooth,
ਜੀਭ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ
very good work.
Tongue.
ਸੋ ਵੀ ਟੰਗ ਲੱਭ ਲਓ
Very good work. Please do subscribe and like for this work. And very thanks to the Mr. Tosif. Yes. And congratulations for this good work. I hope your car will be fine now.